Hi, and welcome to this Flatsome tutorial. I will now show you how to get started after the theme is bought. So if you go to your downloads, you can then go onto the download button to download all files and documentation and a license file, which are the two files you'll need to install the theme. Then open the license file that has the purchase code in it and extract the zip file. In the folder, there is a zip file in theme files that is needed to install the theme in WordPress. You can then head over to your WordPress site and go to Appearance, then Themes. Add New, choose to upload theme, then choose the theme file in the folder you've extracted. Then install now. We now need to activate the theme. So if we go over to the Themes tab under Appearance, we can go on the Flatsome theme and click the Activate button. This setup wizard will then be launched. This will take you through the whole installation process of both the theme and WooCommerce if you're creating a shop. Then you need the purchase code in the license file. You can now choose to create a child theme if you want to modify the theme coding yourself. Here it says a bit about where the child theme is placed. We will then install the plugins required. Then install the demo content as a starting point. Here we can add a logo to a site. We can also skip the steps if you want to do this as a later stage. Agree to this information? Now, make sure you join our Facebook group to get updates, news, and get help from fellow Flatsome users. Let's set up WooCommerce too. Another setup wizard will then launch and we can quickly go through these steps. It's now set up and we can go on the link on the bottom to get to the WordPress dashboard. We can then go onto the page to see that the Flatsome theme is successfully set up.